I tell you. In 500 meters, take the exit toward Nariman Point. So we are on our way to Mumbai, and this is one of the best times to travel by road to Mumbai because of the rainy season. Everything is just so beautiful. And Aji was taking some notes for the wedding dance. I really hope she'll dance like this on the wedding during the Sangeet. Our favorite pit stop on our way to Mumbai. What should we eat today? Our usual place is this big food mall, the only place that has all the people. This is our favorite food. So the reason we are going to Mumbai today is to pick up Swarali, who's my younger sister. She had gone to Poland for her dance tour. She's a Bharatanatyam dancer, and every year they get to go to Poland and perform there. So we are on our way to Mumbai to pick her up. She landed 2 days back and she had her performance at NMSCC, and today we are going to see her after 2 months, and it's super exciting. So we thought that we'll maybe club this pickup thing with some wedding shopping as well. We'll first go to a place where we will see if we like anything, and then we'll go pick her up, and then we will head back to Pune. Etilu. Hello, Kutra. Hey, you know what Kutra means. I don't really like Mumbai as a city. I have lived in Pune, that's where I grew up. I don't like the weather, I don't like the humidity in Mumbai. Maybe that's why I don't like the city as much. But every time we come here to BKC or maybe even South Bombay, that has a different vibe altogether. So I really enjoy going to these places. This has to be the fanciest parking I have ever seen in my life. These small lights that you see on top, the red and the green ones, they basically tell you if the parking lot is free or not. So cool, I love the idea. It is so simple but so helpful. Basically, we were too late to go to a store for the wedding shopping, but we were too early to pick Swarali up. So we decided to visit the plaza at NMSCC until Swarali arrived. त्यावर किती फॅन्सी वाटतं. फॅन्सी वाटतं. इट इज फॅन्सी. They had made something out of these direction boards, or what do you call them, distance boards, and they had reused them and I thought it was so cool. This is what luxury looks like.
सगळ्यांचे रेट काय असते?
Gucci, लाखों अमीर लोगों का मॉल है ये. Aji exploring the plaza. This is all bags ka design. They've made a scooty out of it. Louis Vuitton. So cool. Love how these brands make you experience the experience and not just sell things. Absolutely love watching these Small experiences that they build in their stores. I just love it so much. Well, it was not actually our first time at NMSEC. We had watched the Sound of Music show at the Grand Theatre in NMSEC, and that was one of the most beautiful experiences I've ever had. But we had not been to the Plaza, so this was our first time at the Plaza. The Plaza is right next to the Grand Theatre and the other kind of theatres that they have. It was our first time here, and I was just loving the entire experience. Love the designs and interior of each of these showrooms. It's just too good. So they actually saw that I was recording the entire thing. So the Manish Malhotra guard, they actually invited me to their store, and I told them that, you know what, I have no intention to buy. I'm just here to experience your store, and they said that you are more than welcome to do that, so please come. They actually took us through the entire store, and it was so beautifully made, and I really liked how they treated us, and that was definitely one of the highlights. हाकतो का उचलून बघ. नाही ग्लास आहे. मला पण वाटलं प्लास्टिक आहे. Pretty. पॉटरी बार्न किड्स पण आहे. ग्रँड थिएटर का ग्रँड शो. Those of you who are wondering why did we not go watch a performance at the Grand Theatre, well, we would have loved to, but apparently it was a private show, and we were not allowed to, which is why we couldn't come and watch. But we are here to pick her up, and it's been 1.5 hours that we've just been waiting for her. She hasn't turned up. I don't know where she is. We could have done some shopping, but we just kept waiting because she told that she'll be free by 12:30, and she's still not here. What to do? It's probably the best parking lot I've ever seen in my life. Super clean. It smells so good. I feel there are diffusers here in the parking lot as well. त्याचं डोकं काढायला लागेल. स्वराली चल बा. स्वराली गाडी केली Lost 1K followers on Instagram. कोस्टल रोड पण कोस्ट कुठे दिसतोय.
हा का उजवीकडे अख्खे समुद्र आहे.
In 500 meters, take the exit toward Nariman Point.
So we actually went to Saili Rajadhyaksha Saris first, but they had some exhibition going on somewhere in Nashik, which is why they had sent most of their stock there. Didn't have much options to see when we went there. So that was a disappointment. We had a lot of expectations from them. Then we decided to go to Nalli Saris, which is one of our favorite shops to buy saris from. But somehow that day, nothing was clicking. Well, it didn't go as expected. We didn't really like anything on that day and ended up buying absolutely nothing from both the shops where we had the most hopes from. But nevertheless, we still enjoyed our trip to Mumbai and had a lot of fun. Hope you had fun watching it too. Thanks for watching, and if you have made it this far, make sure you leave a comment saying NMACC. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.